Today, I will show you 5 affordable coloring books niche that are people selling right now. That you can create it fast with AI even if you are beginner. Let's get started. First niche is winter bold and easy coloring books. This niche work really well during quarter four, especially when people are buying gifts and activity for kids. Many of these books have a low competition, low reviews, and some are making over $100 per day. The design are simple, bold, and very easy to create with AI. If you want seasonal niche that are sell fast, this is a great option. The second is solar system coloring books for kids. This is a low competition educational niche. Parents are loved by learning activity, and there are many strong comparative yet. Even though the demand is bit lower and competition is very small, which make easier to rank on Amazon KDP. This niche is also evergreen, mean it's sell all year. Now let's talk about one of the best selling niche right now. It's accelerate coloring books. Kids absolutely love accelerates, and this is a huge demand. Is some books are making thousands of dollars per month, even with simple design. This niche work perfectly with bold and easy art style. Our deal for AI generated coloring books. It's high demand, medium competition, and big potential. And number four is niche advanced calendar coloring books. This niche are perfect for quarter because people love daily activity during two holiday seasons. Many books in this niche were published recently and are already making over $50 per day, every with few reviews. It's less competition than original Christmas books, but still has a strong potential. The final niche is Christmas coloring books for kids. This niche explodes as we get closer to Christmas. Even before December, many books are already making $2,000 to $6,000 per month. Parents buy this every year, and sales keep increasing thoughts the holiday season. If you want huge volume sales, this niche arm is a must. So this is 5 profitable Amazon KDP coloring books niche. You can start publishing today, and if you want to rank in on Amazon KDP fast, you should to start this niche this year for ranking the next year. And with today, we don't need to be an artist. You don't need to be expert. With AI, you can create it full coloring books in minutes. And I will recommend you use this best software for coloring books. It's called New Creator. This is dashboard. You can easily create your coloring books just one click. Type your keyword or prompt uh, like this, and you will give you clean and simple coloring page. You can upload it as a PDF. It's optimized it too for Amazon KDP. Look at the reviews here, and if you want to try No Creator today, you'll find the link in the description, and see you the next one.